Yeah, Masuno. I saw you guys laughing at me in DJ's prank, but it's perfectly fine. Man, I said no. But no majority of Kim squad never laugh, so it is fine. Anyway, guys, so you know, in can prank me and feel like I eat that, like I have to get him back. By the way, I know the video isn't at its brightest because it's early morning and just wake up, so you know, I'm not ready to open up the doors or nothing like that yet. So I'm just turn on the lights. So I hope that the lighting is okay. So just saying this to say, you know, definitely from you see the video, you know, say may I get him back. You see the title, you see the thumbnail, you know what's up. Just before I even start discuss the video though, I want to do a shout out to 876 girlfriends Sherry and Tany. I am gonna add their link in the description, guys. Go check out them channel. They do pranks and vlogs and all of that good stuff, real good things that you're gonna enjoy, so go check them out. She also, or they also have an online store, and it's on Instagram. It's Voluptuous Couture, so definitely check it out. You know, if you're a thick madame and you want to look nice and you want to put on good couture, go check them out, guys, and all that good stuff. So definitely, yeah, want to keep the want to keep the energy level up there. But like me say, early morning, and I haven't had my dose of tea or coffee. I'm not getting nothing yet. You can see my eyes look puffy. Yeah, man, I need to get all that done. But anyway, guys, so I'll get back DJ. So he is currently in his bedroom sleeping. Me make sure I go and go check. I think him door even half open, so that make it even easier for me just crack in there. So yeah. Yeah, so basically, guys, what I'm going to do is mega frightening more time sleep. DJ is a dead sleeper. He is a dead sleeper. So I'm gonna just go in a room with 2 pot cover and just knock them off frightening like a cockaford. Woo! The eyes them still a lot though. Yeah, so it's safe to say I really don't know how this is gonna, you know, play out, because me personally don't like nobody threaten me that I sleep, because once me asleep, me feel extra at peace. So I appreciate being left to sleep. I don't even like anybody waking me up when I'm asleep. I feel like once me asleep, you left me with me, wake me up. Make God do him job. God give me a little time for the rest, make me rest. But of course, I'm gonna find him more time sleep. I'm not sure how it's gonna play out. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sneak into his room, because like I said, the door is half open. So I'm gonna sneak into his room. I'm gonna just catch up the camera, and then I'm gonna just go back for the 2 pot cover them and just knock it real loud and hard. Now the funny thing is, I don't know, after me knock it, I go run out of the room, because if me I go dead down with the camera there, I forgot that part there. Because after I fly out, me no want me and him trapped in the room. I want to be able to leave. That's the whole fun of it, right? So guys, of course, if you like the video idea, yeah, go ahead and drop a like already, drop a comment, let me know what you think, let me know what go through your head. We're definitely gonna go through this together. Additionally to that, if you haven't subscribed already, what you wait upon? Subscribe to the channel, man. Subscribe to the channel. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I do pranks, vlogs, anything with a comedic flair, anything to make my subscribers and supporters laugh. So of course, be a part of that. Come join the happenings. And of course, if this is not your first time, you don't know what we are about, you don't know who we are over here, my eyes constantly a lap back. I think I still want to sleep. You don't know what it's about. Welcome back to the channel. Stay tuned and let's get to the video. Okay guys, so welcome to our kitchen. Thus far I found this one. You know, say every house supposed to have this one. Every house supposed to have them pot cover here. Every house. Your mother or grandmother must have been the kind of woman who cook for a whole heap of people. So every house have them pot cover here, right? So wait, let me. Yeah, so I am looking on the may I look for one bigger one to this. So when I go, it makes a it makes a big bang. Okay. So, I don't think this one's gonna do much justice. I want something thick like this. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay guys, so okay guys, so I found both pot covers. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna leave them here on the kitchen counter and I'm gonna go transport the camera in a room and put it down and then just run come back for the pot cover them and just not about my frying him. Yeah, so wish me luck. There he is, guys. There he is. Okay, so don't you think it is so strange that he actually sleeps on one side of the bed with Chinese in it is? You can't make him look OCD, don't you? Sorry guys, I can't turn on the flash because if I turn on the flash, I'm not gonna see the light. Like I said every morning, him curtains for the light control. You can't see his face. Sorry, you can't see his face. You can't see it and he looks stupid as hell. He looks like he's about to shit himself. Okay guys, so I'm gonna set up the camera. I'm gonna go get the pot covers. Okay guys, so I just leave up in curtain them because in here kind of dark and after in wake it done right so in wake already, so I have a pot cover them. Take off all the slippers that I set for now. What? You wait around here, you're going to shut them. Here the pot cover.
Eh? I drop me a mate man, I could drop DJ.
And yeah, oh, is it? Hey,
I could drop DJ.
I'm trying to feel me. Hey,
I could drop.
so where the pot cover?
I could drop DJ, where I'm going so far. I drop.
Me ain't start that no.
You alright? You alright? You want to pill? Me have paracetamol. I dropped me a meg.
Fine, you know.
I don't think it's so serious, sir.
You mean you think it's a serious? You shit I'm even done sleeping, you know? Funny one thing.
I dropped me a meg, DJ. You're too
I make them
extra.
joke them man. They damn joke them man.
I just want to prank about me to you.
You mean prank?
Look. We have paracetamol for children.
Come on. Morning.
You know how good man is, man.
Come on, chill. Come.
Yeah, I'm tell you, say, I'm not telling you, I'm not feel good from what here.
Oh, yeah, guys. He's now up. If you like, move from back at me. If you like the video, guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Rate the video, definitely. So, some cook.
No, that's not food.
You cook chicken and dumpling and banana. And it smells good.
That smells
Yeah, guys, so we'll see you in the next video. Look at yourself.